Hello, how are you? Today's topic is measurement of cardiovascular fitness. Measurement of cardiovascular fitness. In this, we have Harvard Step test, Rockport test, computation of fitness index, duration of the exercise in seconds into 100, 5.5 plus pulse count of 1.1 point minute after exercise. First of all, we should know what is cardiovascular fitness. Cardiovascular fitness is ability to supply oxygenate blood to the muscular tissues working in the body and lungs, and ability to use oxygen to generate oxygen energy for various activity by muscles. Such fitness is very important for performing physical activity or aerobic action. The following tests are doing to measurement cardiovascular system. First of all, Harvard step test. You can see the Harvard step test. This is cardiovascular fitness test which measures the ability of heart and lungs muscles. It was developed by Barua and other in 1943. And what is the purpose? The main purpose of this test is examine the rate of relative of candidate and his cardiovascular or aerobic fitness. Essential equipments: 20-inch 45 centimeter height bench or box for men or boys, 16-inch bench or stool for girls or women, at metronome stopwatch assistant. And what is the procedure of this Harvard test? The athlete step of athlete step up and down on the platform at a rate of 30 steps per minute every 2 seconds for 5 minutes or until exhaustion. Exhaustion is defined as when the athlete cannot maintain the stepping rate of 15 seconds. The athlete immediately sit down on completion of the test, and the total number of heartbeat and are counted between 1 to 1.5 minutes after finishing. See measuring heart rate. This is the only measurement required for using the short form of test. If the long form of test is being conducted, there is an additional heart rate measured at between 2 or 2.5 minutes and between 3 and 3.5 minutes. Scoring: fitness index scoring determining by the following. Fitness in the short term, this is a 100 into test duration. For example, if the total test time was 300 seconds, the complete if completed the whole 5 minute, and the number of heartbeat between 1 or 1.5 minute was 90, between 2.5 to 580, and between 3.5 is 70, then the long form fitness index score would be 100 into 300, and upon 5.5 into 990 is equal to 60.6.1. This is the cardiovascular fitness test. The advantage. What is the advantage? This test requires minimal equipment and cost and can be self-administrated. Disadvantage. Biomechanic characteristics were varied between individual. For example, consider that the step height is standard. Taller people are at an advantage as it will take less energy to step upon on the step. Body weight has also been shown to be factor. Testing large group with the test will be take time consuming. Next is Rockport fitness test. The Rockport fitness test. The objective of Rockport fitness test is Klein 1987. It is monitor the development of the athlete VO2 volume oxygen max. Required sources to undertake the test you will require track, stopwatch, weighing machine and assistant. How to conduct the test? This test required the athlete to walk 1 mile, that is 1609 meter as fast as possible. The assistant wait and record the athlete weight. The athlete warm up for 10 minutes. The assistant give the command go, start the stopwatch and the athlete comes at the test. The assistant record the time taken from the athlete to complete the test and athlete hair heart rate immediately on finishing. Formula Klein 1987 use as to calculator VO2 maximum is 132.853 minus bracket 0.769 into weight or 3.867 plus into age plus 6.315 into gender minus 3.2649 into time minus 0.1565 into heart rate, where weight is the weight in the pound, male gender 1 to 1, female 0. Time to expose a minute of 100 minutes. Heart rate is the beat minute. Age is a year. Advantage: this test method quite simple. This can be done by every player himself. The test requires little equipments in this. In this method, many players can be tested simultaneously. Disadvantage: this test is very expensive, like track and ECG machines, etc. Next is Rickley and Jones, that is called senior citizen test. In this we have chair stand test. Next is arm curl test. Then next is chair sit and reach test. Then back stretch test. And 8-foot go and test. Then 6-minute walk test. In test we have 6 tests. Rickley Jones test is senior citizen test. Very important type.